Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the folder you want to protect and opening Notepad to build a quick locker. Once done, choose a strong password because this method uses a simple script. Security depends on that phrase. Make sure hidden items are visible in File Explorer only if you need to test, otherwise keep defaults. Next, create the folder and name it clearly for your workflow, then keep Notepad open to paste the locker code we'll use as the next step. Now paste the batch script that creates a private folder, checks the password, and hides or shows the files using attrib commands. Replace the placeholder password in the code with your chosen password so the conditional works. Save the file as locker. Bat and select all files so Notepad doesn't append. TXT. Once saved, double-click locker. Bat to run the initial setup. The script will create the secured folder and prompt you for that password when accessing it later. To lock or unlock, simply run locker. Bat and type your password when prompted. The script hides or reveals the data with attrib commands. Make sure to back up sensitive files to a secure location because this method is convenience-level protection, not true encryption. If nothing happens, ensure file extensions are visible and that the file is named locker. Bat with correct contents. Also confirm you replaced the placeholder password correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.